Hey guys, Shiva Sapkota here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a too loose or too tight stem on your folding mechanism for the Jetson Bolt Pro. Take a 2mm Allen key and undo this screw that is here on the stem of this folding mechanism. Once the Allen screw is out, grab a pair of pliers and you can rotate this rod in the center to, if it is too loose, then rotate it towards the left. And if you're having a really hard time unclipping the stem, then rotate it towards the right. So in this situation, my stem is really loose, so I'm just gonna rotate it towards the left and just couple of times just rotate it, and then it should be good to go. So now your stem should be tight, and vice versa. If it is too tight, now it should be loose if you rotate it towards the right. Hope this is helpful, and please, if you haven't already done so, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up.